Welcome back to Energy Cleaning and Life Hacks. Today I'm going to show you how to get those yellow stains out of your toilet, or basically staining out of anywhere. I've showed this in a previous video when it comes to cutting boards, but you can do this on your sink. You can do this on your doors. It's like magic. So a couple things that you're going to need here. Get yourself some baking soda. This is more of an art rather than a science. And then here's the kicker. You're going to get yourself some hydrogen peroxide. That's probably a little bit too much baking soda. And then you're going to get some sort of cleaning device. I recommend a cleaning toothbrush, if you will. Again, that is way too soupy because you want this to be nice and sticky so that it stays where it needs to. So I'm going to put a little bit more baking soda right in there. Stir this around. And my friend, this is going to amaze you. This is going to surprise you, especially if you've tried lots of other cleaners on the market, things more abrasive, things more harsh, and you still have not been able to get the job done. That's probably a good consistency right there. Maybe just a little too soupy, but that's all right. All right, you're gonna go ahead and take your toothbrush and you're gonna rub it all around the yellow parts of your toilet, in this particular case that you're having problem areas with. Go ahead, put that on here. Rub it around. Now, how long do you let this sit for? I like to sit until it's almost dry. And you're going to want to repeat this as often as you need to, depending upon the severity of the yellowing, particularly around the toilet that you can see right here. All right, so we got that on there. I'm gonna let this sit and we'll come back. In case you're wondering, I do a ton of toilet cleaning. I have 4 children and we host a lot of parties, so there's a lot of people coming in and out of our house every week. So you better believe I've tried almost everything that's out there. Time to put this to the test. Now, if you're not familiar with hydrogen peroxide, it can have a bleaching effect. I'm just gonna take some paper towel right here. You can use whatever sort of cleaning tools that you want. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm applying some pressure right here. See if I can get that all up. I see down, in, around, and there. There we go. And in here. You probably want to get some cleaning gloves for this process. I'm trying to be delicate here. And there we go. Again, apply this as many times as you need to, depending upon how long those stains have been present. Now, this may seem a little bit strange to you, but I tend to wipe down my bathrooms, I would say, about every other day, so I'm able to catch these things earlier, hence my toilets stay a bit cleaner. But if you're renting a place or you bought a home and there's already staining there, my friend, you've got to give this a whirl right here. Some of you might be asking, can you just save this container right here and use it for a later time? And my answer to that would be not very likely. You can see here hydrogen peroxide is in a brown bottle because it interacts with the sunlight and starts to break down. So if you put it in something like this and you're trying to store it, I just don't think it would be as effective for you. All right, video, thumbs up. Click this video on screen now to see some more amazing and clever cleaning and life hacks, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.